Streetbeefs family, I appreciate you tuning in to another video in the Showtime yard. It's been almost 18 years. We got the best fans on earth.
This is street beef, bitch. This is street beef.
Knuckle up, Scarface, how I'm coming. Let's see how you doing. Guns are up, take it to Sydney's backyard. Gloves up and shut up, and by the time I'm done, you
Rocky, 135, 5'9", first fight, 18th birthday, let's get this.
No Mercy, Luke Ritter. I'm 19, 135. You know what it is.
Yes, sir. We here, Showtime's yard. Obey my commands. Most importantly, protect yourselves at all times. Dap up if you want to. Good sportsmanship. Mouthpiece.
Go Rocco!
Mouthpiece. Round one, let's work.
Rocco! Go Rock! Go Rocco!
Come on, elbow! Yeah! He's tired! Get out of there! Get out of there! Stay with it! Hit him! Rock! Hit him! Rock! Choke him back! Pressure! Grab his hand! You gotta punch him! You gotta pull it! Get him! Go! Hold his neck! Hold his neck! Right, you got it! Trip him! Come on! Get his ass! There you go! Get him! Twist your hands! Twist your hands!
Fucking go!
You're not looking. Also, do you have a fucking vape?
You're fucking him up.
Okay, here's what you're gonna fucking do. You, every single time you're hitting him, you're not looking at him. I saw you strike earlier. You had that striking. You pop that shit, and the moment he swings back, you take him to the fucking ground because he doesn't know what the fuck it is.
You got this. You got this.
We got this.
Fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's go.
Let's go. You got this. You got it. It's all you, Rock. All you, Rock.
He don't know you, son. Come on. Hit him in the fucking mouth. He's tired.
Put that name
Hit him
on
in
that
the fucking
boy.
mouth.
Round two, you know what we do. Let's rock. Let's go, man!
Yeah! Look at him go. Let him grab him. Don't be scared of him. You ain't scared of him. Fucking jab.
Oh! Hey, you can kick. You know how to kick.
Boom. Boom, baby. What did I say?
Get him off me.
You didn't know what to fucking do. Circle out. Circle out. Circle out.
You got space. Use your time. Don't turn around. Away.
Yep. Body kick. No. Take him to the face. Take him to the face. Take him down. Take him down. Take him down. Nice. Breathe. Take his leg. Yeah. Lower. Stand up. Hit him. Hit him back. Hit him back.
fight, man. Stop it. Do the strikes.
Hey, fighter. say whatever you want, 15 seconds.
What I say? My performance did it for me.
Shit, we'll get him next time. That's right. We'll get him next time.
Hey.
Big Nova King, 6'3", 150 pounds. Came to New Jersey, man. I came to do my big one.
I'm title card. I'm 19. I weigh 140 pounds, and I'm from New Hampshire.
Showtime's yard. Obey my commands. Most importantly, man, protect yourselves at all times. Dap up. Go back to your respectable corners. Come out swinging. Get your mouthpiece. Mouthpiece. Less work. Breast cancer awareness. Pink mouthpiece. Let's go. Let's go.
Take him. You know what to do. It's your game, boy. You know what you're doing. Come on. Got your arm in there.
Tap.
Yeah, there we go.
Get up.
There we go.
Get up.
Elbows.
Push it. Let's go.
Oh, you got it. Get that on. Yeah. Get that on, boy. Keep roll. Drop down on it. Keep hitting him. There you go. Don't give him an inch. Don't give him an inch. Elliot, get up. There you go. There you go. Pound him.
Let's go, my boys.
You know what you're looking for.
30 seconds, man. 30 seconds.
That leg kick. Slow him down.
Don't let him take you down. Stay up. Get up. Hold him down.
Get inside control. Tie your arms up. Put your head out.
Hey,
Put your foot behind his leg.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time, man. Thank you.
No extra hit.
Thank you.
When you had him on the ground, elbows. You had him all day. You fold it in, boom, pop it. You don't even need to wind up. You literally, if his face is here, boom. And you're making just a little really obvious.
You almost had my leg right there, too. This round, bro, I got you all day.
Round 2, you know what we do? Less work. I started yelling names. Deganji.
Don't let him grab you. Up. Get up. Don't let him take you down. Get up.
That's fight. He gave up. He threw out his shoulder or something.
Nah, you're not doing my leg.
Oh.
I need help up.
Who's the corner? Help your man.
Job versus Kobe.
I think I broke my leg. Yo, he was a good ass fucking fighter.
Yes, sir.
We landed straight on my fucking leg, bro. I wish we would have did more, bro. Fuck.
Hey, man, you did great.
Love you, bro.
Love you too, man. Shout out Greg West. Shout out all my boys right here. Thank you.
Hitman, 130, 5'9", 21.
TJC, 5'9", 145. I'm 20.
Round 1, let's work. And in between each round, stay in.
Here we go, Hitman. Let's go, baby. Take it down.
Here. Go, boy. Throw it down a little bit. Get under that. Title card. Get ready.
Round 2, you know what we do. Let's work.
Control the left, control the left.
Ready?
Breathe. You got it. You got it. Put your forearm in his throat. Put your forearm in his throat. Work, baby, work. Get him out of there. Time out. Come on, you got it. Come on.
My time. No punch. No punch.
Stand him up.
Boy.
JP, get up. He's good. Come on, Jay. Get up. Come on, stand up. You got it.
Let's fight.
Get up.
Oh, my bad.
No, you're right.
I got to put it on you. It's hot.
Get that joint off on. See, you know? Let's get that wiped down a little bit.
Here. You here? Alright, you good, brother. You got a little on your lip, but you good. Yo, one more round.
One more? One more.
Oh shit, bro.
One fucking round. You gotta go all out.
You should have been sitting down.
I'm gonna call it, dude.
Huh?
I threw up. I can't do it.
Oh, you killed the ref.
Ref, I'm out. I'll take the L. I just threw up.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
You don't matter. You
No,
got 6 days.
Yeah.
Great fight. Had to stop. Got the stoppage. Stop it.
I want to thank the whole city for me. All the support. Thank you. God bless. Shout out to my opponent. I'll be back.
My name's Jerry, I'm 21, I'm 5'9", 165. I flew from Texas to be here. Shout out to my gym, 80-20 Jiu-Jitsu. That's all.
I'm Dub, 27, I'm from South Carolina. I'm 175, and I'm here to rock. Let's go.
Showtimes, y'all, we here. Obey my commands. Protect yourselves at all times. Step up if you want. Go to your respectable corners. Come out fighting.
Anybody's lost
Mouthpiece. Mouthpiece. Round 1. Let's work.
Don't let off of it. Don't let off of it.
Start swinging.
Fire back. Don't let off of it. There you go. Watch out. There you go.
Oh. Let's fight.
Let's go, baby.
15 seconds, say whatever you want. It's a good fight, me and him. Respectful before the fight. Good turnout.
Fight name Apex, 31, weighed in 155, 5'9". We can talk after the fight.
Yo, my name's Ja. 147, 5'9". I'm from Jersey, 26. Just trying to get some motions so I could get back into the flow.
I'm going to touch when the round starts to PY.
We here now, man. Showtime's yard. Obey my command. Most importantly, protect yourselves at all times. Dap up if you want to. Let's work.
Baby. Don't let it get you, baby. Twist that dick. Take it down, down. Don't let him up. Don't let him up. Get him against the wall. Don't let him beat you. Get out.
Shit, huh?
Work the body. Got it.
Shit, Joggle block.
Keep pounding. Get up! Get up! Don't let him! Get up!
Advance or I'll stand you up. 60 seconds.
This is not a good
Games are push against one cat.
dude. No, he's not doing anything.
My time, no punch. Break clean.
Stand it up! Steve!
Let's
keep kick!
Move on his ass.
Teach! Here we go! Here we go! Here we go! Here we go!
Kick off! No! Keep him in the chokehold! Put him in the chokehold!
Hold it, y'all. Hold it, y'all. Hold it,
Break the grip. Break the grip.
Hold it, y'all. There you go.
Free your other hand from the ground. Pull your other hand out.
10, 9, 8,
7, 6,
Great job.
5, 4, 3, 2. Time, man. Thank you. Good sportsmanship. Thank you. Round 2. You know what we do. Let's.
Keep your strength on your back leg!
yeah!
Hey, corner, bro. You should connect with him. There we go. Keep the distance.
That's it! Don't let him take you down. Kick! Knee! Use that knee!
Big knee, baby! Big knee, baby!
Kick!
Keep up.
Your fist up. Kick. Let him kick like that again.
Watch him. Watch your feet. Watch your feet.
Left hand up.
Oh, yeah. Come on. Jump. Yeah. Down. Yeah.
Baby.
Don't let him up. Don't let him up. Don't let him up. Keep him down. Keep him down.
Keep him against the wall.
Yeah.
Tie that nigga out.
Get that chokehold.
60 seconds.
Keep him down. Keep him down. Keep him down. Keep him down. Don't let him up.
Pick your leg up. Rear naked choke. Get your leg out. Rear naked choke. Get your leg out.
Don't get back.
What's that dick? Go to the front. Make that nigga tap.
Bro.
Make that nigga tap.
Don't let him up. Don't let him up.
What's my time?
Keep him down.
30 seconds!
Make him cry. There you go.
30 seconds!
My time, no punch. Stand up.
Stand up.
Let's get active, y'all.
Let's work. Turn around. Fight!
We're not on there.
Bang with him. Come on, Kobe. Everything you got. Let's go.
Lock your face.
Time. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, time!
Thank you, man. Thank you. He's getting you snacks too, bro.
Come on, bro. Wake him up.
Come on, everything you
Come
got.
on, you gotta empty the
Everything
tank.
you got.
It
ain't worth your help, my guy.
To the middle!
I appreciate you.
Good fight, man. Good fight. Winner, stoppage!
Appreciate you again, my guy. Keep going.
Who's next?
Hey, good fight.
15 seconds, say whatever you want.
Nah, I'm good.
5'10", 37, 175 from Bermuda, and my first time, and test myself out, see how well I do.
Lil Perry, 5'7", 170.
Lil Perry?
Yeah, 170.
All right, how old are you?
28.
Street Beefs, you know what time it is. It's round 1. You ready? Ready? Fight!
Keep moving. Keep moving. Up. You're good. Legs swing. Oh!
What's up? Watch the back of his head. You're fine. Keep fighting. You're good. Elbows are fine. Keep fighting. Come on. Push up.
Control yourself. Good.
There you go. Fire, you good. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you.
Gotta wrap the leg.
Put your leg around. Lock it in.
When you push up, put your left hip to the wall. Stand up. Using one leg.
Stay calm. Use your hip. Keep up. Use your hip. Keep it bang. There you go. Use your hip. Use your hip. Push my bang. Push him up. Use the right arm. Right arm.
Pull him forward. Put on your hip, on his hip.
Keep the leg on the right arm. Keep the leg on the right arm. Hold it. Using energy. Hold it. There you go. Watch the right arm. Hit his right arm. Hit the right arm. There you go. Say your energy.
30 seconds.
Say your energy. Don't let him rest. Don't let him rest. Lock the legs in. Don't let him rest on top of you. Guys. Let me see some work. I'm going to stand you up.
Lift that. Get up. There you
Push
go.
him up. Do your heel. Push him up by his hip.
Good.
9, push him 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's
Hey, he winded you out. Go in kind of soft, right? Go in kind of soft.
That's all you gotta do, because he wanting to grapple now. He
I know. Street Beefs, we're back at it again. You know what we do. You ready? You ready? Round 2, fight! Keep moving in circle. Don't sit still. Circle. You want to grapple, push it off. Hold the wall. Keep fighting, boys.
Keep fighting.
You're good. Don't worry about it.
Single leg. Turn and drop. Turn and drop.
Watch your nuts.
Turn and drop.
Somebody will kick that ass.
Turn and drop.
Come on.
Give him another knee. Give him another knee. Watch out, Nate. Watch your knees.
Turn and drop. Turn. Drop. There you go.
Protect yourself. Move.
Great fight, guys. Winner. Give him his 30 seconds.
That's what Street Beefs is about.
First time fighting from Bermuda. A lot to work on, but I'll come again. Thank you.
Leg day, to explain itself. 40 years old, fighting out of Flint, Michigan. Don't drink the water, still can. About 160, 163, I don't know. It depends on how much I drink today. So, yeah, just doing it for my kid back home, all right?
Big, coming out of PA, 187, 190. Should have fun putting on a show for you guys.
Street Beefs, round one. We got something special right here, man. Let's get it cracked.
Mike Zambides action.
Él es más chiquito que tú, tienes que entrar para adelante. Tienes que entrar para adelante. No dejes que entre, no dejes que entre.
Coming on an angle, he's taller. Inside, straight shot.
1 minute, round.
1 minute left.
La patada, dale como que tú le vas a la costilla. La patada en la cara, como que tú le vas a la costilla.
Off the center line, off the center line. You gotta get off the center line, off the center. Good job blocking that. You're gonna have to make it close and dirty and just watch out for the clinch. Boom. Guard up, circle out, circle out, circle out. Good pass by. Watch for the switch kick to the head.
Next time he spin that out there, you get close. Get him like glue.
Inside leg kick, inside leg kick.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey! You good? I'm not there.
I think next time we just gotta get somebody to rest.
Now, if you are still dead set on continuing, what I will tell you is that you will need to bring it in close and avoid his clenching his knees. Yeah, you have to aim.
He's got 30 pounds of me.
And he also has experience on you, obviously. So that's why I'm like, I gave you my
Way to call.
Much respect, man.
Here we go.
Winner!
The future!
Much respect, brother.
Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Just ready to see what we can do.
Big boy, 19, 330 in Virginia.
Explain both. Keep him up. Here is good. Here is good. Let y'all work out in the clinch. Give the people a good show. All right. Everybody set? Back to our corners.
Hi, man.
Fighter ready? Fighter ready?
Let's get it on!
Yes, sir. Great job. Do it again. Now, do it again. Head, body, head. Yeah, great movement. Keep working with it, Kyle. Keep working.
Winner, stoppage, first round.
Look, it's there. All you got to do, check the link below.
Any coward can pull a trigger, but it take a real man to look another man in the eyes, punch him right in the face. 5-star wolf pack. Step in the cage and I'm giving out work. Satan's backyard, you ain't trying to get hurt. I'ma bring the pain, you gon' get it to work.